This has been a long-awaited sight for fans of Team Holcim PRB. Rosalind Kuiper and the rest of her crew coming in to the halfway point of leg 2, the scoring gate at Porto, Portugal. There were big cheers, not just from the fans, but also from the sailors of the other teams when Holcim PRB arrived in Portsmouth. But that was after the leg had finished. After the collision between Team Holcim PRB and Alagrande Mappa in Kiel, we have been waiting patiently for the scores to arrive, for points on that leaderboard. And now, surfing down these waves into the scoring gate, this will be the first set of numbers for Rosalind Kuiper, Nico Lundven and the rest of the team. They have been on a very tight, very fraught, very frantic racing agenda since that collision, since the repair was needed. They haven't had a moment's rest, and indeed on this leg the racing has been so fierce, so tight, that few of these sailors will have got more than just 20 minutes, half an hour's sleep at a time if they're lucky. At moments Holcim PRB was leading, but in the dying stages to this halfway point, it just slipped back. But now they come into Porto in third place. It's 7 points for the leader, 6 for second. It will be 5 for Nico Lundven, Rosalind Kuiper, Alan Roberts. And Nico Lundven already just looking ahead at the navigation, at the plan, because of course this is just a halfway stage. Once we cross this scoring gate, a 3-hour timer begins to count down. And for each team, when their 3-hour timer reaches 0, they are allowed to recross the line, heading south on their way into the Mediterranean and to Cartagena. Through the scoring gate at Porto in third place for Team Holcim PRB. It means 5 points, their first score of the Ocean Race Europe 2025. But it means so much more to the sailors and to the fans of this team. They are back, they are in fighting form, and pace for pace with the other teams, they can hold their own. Indeed, they were leading at some stages on this leg from Portsmouth to Cartagena, and at the halfway stage they claim 5 points, and I'm sure looking ready to push on south and get back into the fight again. But for the moment, a small rest stop in Porto before the racing continues.